This has been absolutely incredible. It's been so cool to hang out in Florida here, man. We're live.
Sarasota.
Thank you guys for coming out. Let's go vibe.
Big shout out to Custom Offsets. Anybody, it's always a good time meeting new people in the truck scene, you know?
What's going on, guys? It's Dustin with Custom Offsets. We're down here in Bradenton, Florida. We're down here to do a little collab work, and we thought, what a better way than to hang out with some of you guys. So we actually decided we'd throw together a pop-up meet with some of the other names in the industry. There's a bunch of cool trucks here. We're just hanging out. So with that, we're gonna get right into it. Check some of the trucks out. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a couple of little spotlights here. Up first, why don't you introduce yourself to the camera, let them know who you
My
are.
name's Dylan. How's it going?
What do you drive?
2013 F-150.
Take us around the build, man. Tell me what you got going on. Suspension setup, wheels, tires, stuff like that.
Alrighty, so we're running a Vertex kit, 6-inch.
Okay.
So we're on some 22x12s, 35 Venoms.
Hostiles, yeah.
Yep, hostiles.
Right on.
Powdered purple. That's a purple powder coat on there. Running 2-inch spacers.
Okay, so
Yep.
a little bit wider there.
Yeah, a little bit
Right
wider.
Show me the back. This is where the money happens back here, though, right? Tell me what you got going on back here.
Yes, sir. So I got a stunt wall going. Got some aftermarket taillights. Got 6.5, 3 horns.
Makes a little noise, huh?
Yeah, it makes a little bit of noise. Pretty loud.
I love how simple this thing is.
I appreciate it, man. I really do.
The chrome and white just pop really good. The tinted tails look fantastic.
Yeah.
The stunt wall in the back looks great. I love the splatter paint on it. It's just, I dig this thing a lot, man. It looks
Yeah, I
super cool.
appreciate it, man. Thank you. I did everything I could. I did it to match the powder, so.
Well, thanks for letting us check it out, brother. I
Hey,
appreciate
man.
it. Thanks for
Yes,
coming
sir.
out.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, man.
How you doing? Hanging out?
Yeah, this is lit. This is already way bigger than anything I had anticipated.
It's coming together.
All right, guys, so spotlight number 2 today is the one and only Justin Fiat.
How we doing, ladies and gentlemen?
Somebody, thank you, first of all, for helping us throw this bomb-ass meet, for hanging
sure.
out with us.
It's always a good time for a Monday night. I say we put something badass together for sure.
Yeah, we killed it, man. So obviously behind you here is the project truck, right? But,
Yes, sir.
I understand that you might have quite a build at home. You maybe want to share with us first, and then we'll go around this one just a little bit.
Yes, sir. So this is the project truck right now, but I wanted to let you guys know at home, I have a 05 5.9 Cummins. Big shout out to Josh from Power Driven Diesel for building the engine. On the bottom end, it's bore 20 over, Wagler Street Fighter rods, Hamilton cams. It's got ARP 625s, Hamilton push rods and valve springs. The truck dynoed 948 to the wheels at Fire Punk with over 1,400 foot-pounds of torque. It's been a very fun truck. It's got an S467, 100% over injectors, 12 mil extra G pump. It's been a really fun time. Just recently, I exploded my drive shaft. So I don't know if you guys have seen the videos. I was doing a little pull, a little bit over 100 in Mexico, and the drive shaft completely left the chat, snapped in half. And,
What's it like to pull that thing, man?
yeah, no, it's a really good time. Like, especially from a dig and 4-wheel drive, it's pretty intense for sure. It's a big, heavy truck, but I didn't build it to be a race truck or nothing like that. It's just a fun street truck that I could take on a road trip, which I did. No issues on close to 1,000 horsepower truck. Something you could road trip, something you could bring to the track, and that's overall what I was looking for. Something that could do it all.
Tell us about this thing. This thing is minty clean, and I love it.
I appreciate it. So this is actually my project truck. While the 3rd gen's down, we're doing a little bit to work on this. So this is an 02 2nd gen 24 valve. It's the sport model 4-wheel drive. No cracked dash, cold AC. So we're already a plus for a second
One
gen.
already at that point, yeah.
It's just leveled. And while I was waiting, I tossed my other wheels on. They're 22x14 KG1 Aristos on 33 1350 Versa tires. Big shout out to Versa Tire. This is gonna be going through a pretty big transformation, nothing too crazy. But at home, I got a 5-inch BDS long arm kit waiting. It's gonna have Fox front and rear shocks, Fox dual stabilizer. I'm just waiting for all that to be powdered. The whole truck will be painted, everything paint to match. And then we're gonna be doing some 24 14s on some 36 1450s. That's the plan right now.
Okay.
But this is gonna be going through some construction very soon, and I'm stoked for it.
Right on, man. Well, hey, thank you again for coming out, for reaching out, for putting this together with us. Let these people know where they can find you.
If you guys want to find me, YouTube Justin Fio. This is just a couple of my builds. I do a lot of other stuff, so if you guys are into anything diesel, definitely go subscribe. And I'm getting more into the horsepower and racing and whatnot, so plan on racing maybe a GTR, Hellcat, like just doing stuff you don't see often, but it's a good time. I plan on doing a lot more with you guys.
Yeah,
for real.
yeah, for sure.
Big shout out to all the custom offset guys, and I appreciate it, man.
All right, brother.
Good job, get mine, no problem. Hit my line, you're irking me. I hit that woosah. No, I don't got perks on me. I sleep good on God. Spend that money, make it reappear. Ta-da. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother Babe. This is like a one shot.
Theo, with Free Diesel, with a bunch of other guys, I threw a pop-up meet down here, and it is absolutely freaking incredible.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven.
All right, guys, the last build we're going to review tonight is Travis's build here. Travis, tell us about this thing. What your make, model, what do you got going on?
This is a 2016 GMC Sierra 2500.
So let us know, take me through the build, man, and I know that there's a lot of stuff going on here.
So these are my road armor bumpers.
Okay.
They're 3-piece bumpers. I have twisted lighting in them.
Dual light bars in there?
Yeah, dual light bars. Royalty core grills. Actually, designed this with the owner of the company.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, and actually, it's like been one of their top selling grills. Which
Yeah,
is
it looks
pretty cool.
fantastic, man.
So on my hood, got an RK Sport hood.
Oh yeah,
which
it is
makes
up
it look,
there.
which makes it look like an L5P.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
everyone thinks it's an L5P, but it's not.
Okay.
So it's pretty cool. Gives that look. These are custom painted Recon. So what's crazy about these Recons is this is a 3-in vinyl wrap. Normally you cannot get a paint to match a wrap.
Yep.
Like as close as this, and which is absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, they look
Like,
fire.
Got the
bogger action
Got the
going on?
boggers. Had to put the boggers with 44s wrapped in, or with 24-16 American forces.
Okay.
These are the FOA shocks.
Okay.
Right here. Got the airbags. Ultimate Air Ride. This whole kit's the Ultimate Air Ride kit.
Okay, cool.
I got the Crescendo audio speakers right here. If you want to check that out.
Okay.
And also I got the
Starry
Starlight.
Night,
Check
yeah.
those out. Custom 4 to 6 inch exhaust with a monster hook tip.
Okay.
6-inch tip right here.
Yep, yep. I love that you don't have the massive exhaust tip right
I
away.
don't. No,
it's
it's something simple, 6-inch.
honest, yeah.
I love it. DLM Performance. This is where my actual truck was built.
Okay.
The rear got the road armor bumpers as well in the rear. Got some Recon tail lights, and also bulletproof hitches.
You obviously use it, right?
Yes,
Which
I
is
actually
nice.
used my hitch. I pulled a 36-foot yellowfin with the truck.
Okay.
I pulled a 28-foot Tahoe, all kinds of stuff. So
Sweet.
I love it. Got the Banks cover
Yeah.
as well.
Well, this
So,
thing's incredible, man. Thank you
thank
so
you, man.
much
I appreciate it, man.
for chatting with us,
Thank
for
you guys
coming
so
and
much.
hanging out.
Oh,
It's been
anytime.
incredible.
Anytime, man. That I watch on YouTube is just because of you guys.
Hell yeah.
It's my inspiration.
Oh, yeah. Well, you're killing it, brother. It looks fantastic.
All right,
And
bro.
thank you for coming
Thank
out.
you, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I hope to see you again
yeah.
down in Sarasota.
I'll let you know when we come back.
Yeah, I'm a DM away.
Well, there you have it, guys. There's our pop-up meet down in Sarasota. Sarasota, thank you so much for coming down, for hanging out, for having a good time with us. It's been absolutely incredible. Big shout out to the homies JH Diesel, Justin Fio, Free Diesel, a bunch of other guys that hung out with us and just had a good time. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with all the custom offsets content. And with that, I'm gonna go get some pizza. Peace.